Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today in this video, let's learn about how to reset your Truist Bank online banking password. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Truist Bank. So here it is. Now, click on this first website over here. Now, we get this tab open over here. Simply enter your user ID, and if you want your user ID to be saved, simply click Mark over here. And if you have forgotten your user ID, you can reset it from here, Forgot User ID. Since we need to reset our password, click on Reset Password. Now, we need to enter the email address associated with our account. Enter the last 5 digits of your social security number. Now, enter a user ID. Once done, simply click on Continue. After this, we'll get an email to reset our password and our email address. After this, we can simply reset our password, and using the new password, we can log into the Truist Bank interface. So, this is all we can do to reset our password in Truist Bank online banking. This is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.